Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is purely for informational purposes and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.61. Let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 3.48%. This equates to an average return of 0.22% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 9.57% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 5.28% to 12.45%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 24.7% over the next year, with possible returns between 14.24% and 27.08%. This implies a price range of approximately $581.86 to $647.26 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price ended at $509.32 on Tuesday, after gaining 0.539%. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.539% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, rising from $506.59 to $509.32. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.572%, with a low of $507.24 and a high of $510.14. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 0.7% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 141,000 shares, resulting in a total of 25 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $12.53 billion. It is important to note that falling volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $515.58, while the lowest price was $382.66. Currently, the price is 1.21%, or $6.26, below the 52-week high of $515.58, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The QQQ ETF, which tracks the Nasdaq 100 index, has experienced a significant rally this year. This surge has been fueled by advancements in artificial intelligence and favorable interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve, reaching a record high of 1,185 this month. Despite these impressive gains, there are indicators suggesting a potential drop in the near future. Analysts have observed several warning signs of an overheated market, including elevated price-to-earnings ratios and signs of broader bullish sentiment that may not be sustainable. This raises concerns about unrealistic growth projections and the accompanying tightening risks as macroeconomic factors shift. In the short term, these developments could lead to increased volatility for QQQ, as investors assess the potential for a correction amidst high valuations. The influx of capital into U.S. equity ETFs signals strong market interest, yet the current enthusiasm may also mask underlying risks. Looking ahead, long-term investors are reminded of the importance of innovation and disruption in technology investing, even as short-term fluctuations may present challenges. As market dynamics evolve, careful evaluation of these factors will be crucial for navigating the potential ups and downs in QQQ's performance. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, and so far it has decreased by almost 1%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the fund. Moreover, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support at the levels of 504.76 and 498.96. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy 17 days ago. The relationship between the short-term and long-term moving averages suggested a buy signal 53 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 56 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $483.36 and $468.62. There is an inherent risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this could result in a drop to the next support level. In this case, QQ finds support just below today's level at $483.36. If this level is breached, the next support derived from accumulated volume will be at $468.62 and $448.69. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be quite low. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by $2.90 between its high and low, which equates to 0.572%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.21%. Before we explore the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might suggest a lack of confidence in the company's future prospects or could indicate that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $512.90. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $483.36. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $491.24, reflecting a decline of 3.55%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which contributes to its minimal risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of November, we anticipate that the QQQ will open lower by approximately 42 cents, starting at $508.90. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.